Hi guys, in this video we will learn about what is Codespaces and how you can use it. Okay, Codespaces is a configured dev environment in the cloud that starts in a seconds. Okay, and for up to 60 hours a month it's free for any person. Okay, so indirectly 2 hours each day you can directly code it on Codespaces. Okay, and so if you go to any repository, okay, and you want to directly run this without cloning it on your local system. So how you can do that? Very simple, go to code rather than going to the code local, go to code spaces and click plus sign. Okay. And in a second, you will able to see it here, your dev environment or a VS Code. Okay, and here if in this repository if there is a requirement.txt file already there, then you can directly create a virtual environment and start to code here without any problem. Okay, so I will show you one of the examples. So I showed it over here for a QR. Okay, let me go to mine. Okay, this is a repository that I have it. Okay, I just need to click this code spaces. Okay, and you will able to see a virtual environment over here with the VS Code. Okay, now in a second we'll able to see it over here, our full repository. Okay, see, we have it here now. Okay, so now if you want to, like here on an embed chain, we have the poetry.toml file, poetry.log. Okay, so what you need to do first is install poetry for installing the poetry. Okay, it's taking some time, but just wait for a minute. Okay, yeah, you see, so it's installing the poetry for me. But if it's an Anaconda, you don't need to install anything, just run the requirement.txt file. Okay, so it's done. Now what we want to do, we want to install all the, firstly go to embed chain. Okay, then poetry install to all, to add all the libraries and install it on your poetry environment. Okay, so it's installing all the things that we have it in our poetry. So you can see we have embed chain and we have other things also. So it's installing everything that we have it here, okay, in our log file. So it's done. Okay, and now what you need to do is poetry shell to activate your environment. Okay, and now you can do anything that you want. Okay, so this is a way how you can use Codespaces, and if you want to check it more about the billings, so here's the link. So you can see for a free person there is a 15 GB space. So for a free person we have 120 hours. Okay, and for pro person we have, they have it 180 hours, and the space is, you can see, 20 GB they have it for pro, 15 for personal account. Okay, so and you want to check it more, you can just see it here, what's the cost and other things. Okay, so this is the way how you can use Codespaces. Okay, and I hope you liked it, and thank you for watching.